Grade 8 Astrea Awardees. Ribac Ann Veronica P. with honors. Best in Filipino, Best in English, Best in EST, Best in Araling Panlipunan, Best in Mape, Best in Science, and Best in TLE. Seguritan Altea Joy S. with honors, Best in English and Best in Math. Santelia Christian S. with honors, Best in English and Best in TLE. Opsima John Enrico with honors, Best in TLE. Serrano Silo Syke Cyron G. with honors. Sosa Crystal Clear with honors. Seguirre Michael John L. Best in Filipino. Villamater Gabriela Ariel R. Best in TLE. Labao Cyril Ann I. Best in TLE. Congratulations, dear learners and proud parents.